Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
What is the most imaginative insult you can come up with? Now be very witty, huh?
I can tell you what I feel is the most stupid insult.
Tell me.
Is marking up. I mean, I have never understood why what does your mother's eye, whether left or right, what does it have to do with anything? I know. And it's like the F word. It's used everywhere. अरे माखियाँ क्या खाना है? अबे माखियाँ कितना गंदा है? So what does the mother's eye have to kind of do with all these things?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Trending Now with Urvashi. Today I have someone with me who is a man of very few words but an inspiration to many. He has defied all norms and stereotypes. But at the same time, he has been juggling mediums and played the most iconic characters, not just in films, but also on TV and on web. I take great pride in welcoming today on the hot seat in Trending Now with Urvashi, a man who is like wine, who refuses to age. In fact, he's growing younger by the day. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome a very old colleague of mine and a very, very dear friend, the most talented, Ronit Roy. हाय,
Hi.
आपको किस नाम से पुकारा जाए पहले ये बताओ.
मेरे को मेरे नाम से रोनित.
रोनित, वो तो मैं तो तुम्हें रोनित ही बोलती हूँ. बट द प्रॉब्लम है कि दुनिया आपको रोनित दा, मिस्टर बजाज, आजकल आपने अपने भाई का नाम लिया हुआ है रोहित, तो उस नाम से भी लोग बुला रहे हैं. तो मैंने सोचा पूछ लिया जाए कि आपको किस नाम से पुकारा जाए. द एवरग्रीन मिस्टर बजाज.
What's in a name?
व्हाट्स इन अ नेम, करेक्ट. अब पहली बात तो वेलकम टू माय शो. मेरे शो का नाम है ट्रेंडिंग नाउ विद उर्वशी एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी टू हैव बीन स्पीकिंग टू यू नो ऑफ लेट. पिछले 5-6 दिनों से ट्राइंग टू गेट दिस अरेंज्ड. बीच में हमारा कनेक्शन रुक गया था, सो आई डिडंट नो कि आप कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करोगे. आई एम सो हैप्पी विद इट.
Why I would respond even if you call me after 20 years, I'll respond the same way.
Thank you. So my show is about diverting people's minds from the situation that we are in any which way. The whole quarantine situation, the corona situation. So I have decided कि बहुत हो गया. It's time that people get at least 20-25 minutes of, fun. Which is why you are here. Ronit, I have 21 questions for you today.
Let's go.
So today, guys, I'm playing a game called 21 Questions. Believe me, it was not very easy to find 21 questions for Ronit, but I am trying my level best, or rather, I have tried my level best. So here goes. If you had a time machine, would you go back in time or visit the future?
I never thought about this. Yeah. I don't think I would, want a time machine because I don't need to go back to the future. I to the past. I know my past, and there and we have overcome the past. Going into the future is like, yeah, the point is to wake up tomorrow morning and see what the new sun, what the new day brings to you. That's the mystery of life unfolding.
Correct.
अब फ्यूचर में चले गए तो आपके साथ जो प्रेजेंट वाले सब पीछे छूट जाएंगे, आपका पास्ट हो जाएंगे, तो फिर पास्ट प्रेजेंट फ्यूचर में बहुत गोची हो जाएगी, गफला हो जाएगा, तो बेटर टू स्टे वेयर वी आर.
अच्छा. I believe in staying in the present and live for today and live for the present. आगे का किसी ने देखा नहीं है और पीछे मुड़ के देखने का कोई मतलब नहीं है.
Exactly.
Correct. So, what was your favorite game as a child?
You see, I started playing games pretty much when I grew up a little bit. Kancha? No.
I've played, that's why I know.
I started playing games when I grew up. So, before that...
What games are we talking about?
Well, we will talk about that in your 20-second question. So yeah, I mean, I was in school. I was an athlete. So I played football for my school for a bit, but my energies were mainly focused on athletics. So 400 meters, and I used to be a cross-country cyclist. So that, and then I was very good at the 110 meters hurdles, and so mainly, and then shot put, javelin, high jump, those kind of things.
High jump and shot put champion.
हाँ.
दिखता नहीं है बट है था.
Good, yeah.
अरे damn good, yeah. So you are quite athletic, clearly, and you started playing these games when you grew up.
I started playing games when I grew up.
Okay. I like that answer. The 20-second question after we stop recording, I will ask you.
Correct.
What is your favorite character from childhood?
My favorite character from childhood, what does that mean? Favorite character from childhood?
Anything. It could be any character that you were attracted to, or
like a film character.
It could be a film, it could be a comic character, it could be anything.
Oh, Bruce Lee, by far. Yeah, Bruce Lee, by far.
What did you like about him? The nunchucks or?
No, it was just, I think, that was the first time we, because हमारे ज़माने में जो पिक्चरें बनती थी ना, हमारे ज़माने में मतलब आपके ज़माने में नहीं,
नहीं मेरे ज़माने में तो बोल दो यार, कुछ नहीं होता.
तो उस समय वो राजेश खन्ना साहब और वो लोग सब लड़ते थे और पीछे एक आवाज आती थी डिशू डिशू डिशू. So from there, I mean, we had just kind of started like I told you, I was an athlete, and then we got into fitness, and that was Enter the Dragon was like the first ever martial arts movie we saw, and that kind of blew our mind. And Bruce Lee, I mean, still today he remains the icon of martial arts, Jeet Kune Do. So and then there was a slew of films by Bruce Lee. So I guess we used to come out of the theater with a feeling of this superhumanism after having watched the film. So वो कुछ बात उनकी अलग ही होती थी. Yeah, I think I can't think of any other character other than Bruce Lee.
So now that you are talking about the feeling of superhumanism, if you were a superhero, which one would you be and why?
I'm really bad at these questions. So I like being myself. You see, आपके पास सुपर पावर है और आपने कुछ किया तो फिर क्या किया? If you're a normal human being, and then if you do something super, that's the true meaning of a hero. सुपर हीरो है, आपके पास क्रिप्टोनाइट है, आपके पास कोई मशीन है और आपने कुछ कर लिया, झूल गए यहाँ से वहाँ. तो I mean, you are being aided by a superpower. There are local people who are completely normal and who are doing so much I mean, there's Sonu Sood, who has sent a whole lot of migrants back to their village. There are these two young boys who have just returned from the US, having studied there. They've come back to their hometown in South India, and they are feeding 1,000 people every day without raising any funds from the. They are using what they have learned to do all this, to service the community. So superheroes normally come in t-shirt and jeans and chappals or shoes. They don't wear a cape.
I agree.
Not all superheroes wear a cape.
I completely agree with you that superheroes don't really come in capes, and they don't need to wear capes. They come in all possible forms, if I may say so. Just like yesterday, I got a message about this girl, 12-year-old girl from Delhi, who broke her piggy bank. Niharika Dwivedi. I was so thrilled because this is what we talk about, na? Today's youth.
Correct.
आगे का future हमारा. So it's good to know that these kind of people also. There are kids who are thinking far beyond many adults at this point of time.
And what an amazing upbringing their parents must have given them.
Absolutely. I mean to say, I can only understand if we are so proud, what would the parents be thinking,
Exactly.
That's another thing. Correct. What food do you crave most often?
I don't. I'm not a foodie. So I basically eat to live. I don't live to eat. Also because I am an actor and I am a fitness enthusiast. I'm not a glutton. So I don't crave for anything, but I like all kinds of food. I like Thai is my favorite. So I like that, like coconut in the food and the spice and the green curry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. If you could only eat one food for the rest of your life, what would you choose?
If I ate only one food for the rest of my life, I'd probably choose rice.
Why?
Why? Because rice has got, I think, the right kind of rice, has all the right nutrients. Rice has a medical speciality to it. So, rice is an amazing, you can eat rice by itself. So, rice is not always white. It's not how we know basmati.
Yeah.
That's not the only kind of rice. There are various kinds of rice. So,
So rice is what you will eat.
Right. Yeah, that is the safest, because if you want to eat anything else, you need rice.
थाई में भी राइस आता है. Yes, correct.
राइस का भी डोसा भी बना सकते हो, आप इडली भी बना सकते हो. कुछ भी बना सकते हो.
हाँ वो तो है. I like idli dosa a lot.
राइस क्रैकर्स भी बनते हैं.
आजकल तुम किचन में बहुत ज्यादा हो क्या?
नहीं, I'm very well informed about my food.
Yeah. By the way, you guys didn't know, Ronit is a complete fitness freak. At least that's what I have come to know over the years, because इनका regime में एक proper schedule पे है ये, है ना?
I'm quite disciplined about my fitness and my life. I don't overdo things. I don't, because of my profession.
Yeah.
Very important.
It's important.
Yeah.
Correct. Okay. Besides the cars that you own right now, if you could own any 3 cars, what would they be?
Besides the cars I own, one would be a G65. The next one would be a Bugatti Veyron, and the third one would probably be a Bentley Continental.
Okay. I asked you this question because most men are into cars and bikes and all of that.
I'm not into cars anymore.
You're into bikes?
No, I'm not into machines anymore. I'm into human beings.
अच्छा, I thought मैं साइकिल बोलने वाली थी, फिर तुमने बोल दिया.
I prefer cycling to motor cars.
You know, I don't know how to cycle, yeah.
You don't know how to cycle? That's terrible, yeah.
I
Okay,
know.
you know how to cycle. Everybody knows how to cycle.
Yeah, but I don't. Unfortunately, I really don't. I've been trying and trying. Till 2 years ago, when I went to Maldives and when I went to Bali and all of, I have tried my level best to, you know, because resorts में वहाँ पे साइकिल देते हैं ना for your personal travel.
Right.
तो मैंने बोला भैया चल नहीं लो, बेटर है. मुझे साइकिल चलानी आती नहीं है. Yeah, you're not the only one who has reacted like that's terrible. Most of my friends are like, they ridicule me for not knowing how to cycle.
I'm sure there are more like you.
Yeah, I'm so sure. Okay, what always brings a smile to your face?
Always.
Yeah.
My children.
It has to be. कोई मुझसे भी ये पूछता तो मैं भी यही शायद बोलती. My children.
Correct.
They bring the biggest smile to your face. And what is it about them?
So, so my children are like, you know, they are my lifeline and they are my purpose of life. So whatever I do out in the world, the way I think, the way I plan for the future is all. क्योंकि मेरी बीवी तो क्या है? She's my mate, right?
Yeah.
She's moving with me, so she will always be with me. We'll be like together, but the children have their own lives. My wife and me have one life. We live one life, but they will have different lives. So, you know, kind of everything that I do, every time I do not spend something, it is for them. Every time I spend, it is for keeping them in mind. Every time I save, it is keeping them in mind. So whatever I do, whichever way I navigate my life, it's one part of the decision is based upon their future. Also, difference between them, my girl is like a girl. She is, thankfully my girl is like a girl and my boy is like a boy. My girl is demure, quiet, shy, very soft-spoken, highly intelligent, studious, independent, and you know, very strict about what she feels is right. My son is like a boy. He's loud. He likes playing video games, Fortnite, and he likes jumping around. He's also lazy at times, and you know, he's like a boy. So,
He's like a boy, huh? If you were an animal, what would you be and why?
I would be a lion.
Would be a lion.
Why? Yeah. Different animals have these. The most intelligent animal is not the lion. The fastest animal is not the lion. The strongest animal is not the lion. You know, but he's still the king of the jungle.
Yeah.
That's because he's the wisest. You know.
Okay, so you've got the lion. If you could be trained up in any profession of your choice,
Yeah.
apart from acting, by top professionals, what profession would you choose?
Top professionals. I would probably be building houses.
Huh?
I would be building houses.
Okay.
I guess, yeah.
Okay.
You know, that's also kind of creating. You know, you are creating homes for people, that kind of thing. And I like the concept of building from ground. Nothing, you have a barren ground and you're making something out of that with bricks and steel. You know.
Okay. So I'm sure that, you know, you've made a beautiful home for yourself. Okay. which you consider probably
Correct.
at this point of time a dream house. But if you had to make another dream house, what kind of a dream house would you want? Apart from the one that you already are in.
So well, I think like my wife and me often discuss this, and I think we would like a we have a house close to the beach. So what we would really like is those somewhere in a small village way up in the mountains, house overlooking the valley with a small piece of land with lots of trees that we can water and cultivate. So, you open your windows and you see the sun coming up, and you go through the garden and you see the sun setting. So that kind of house, yeah.
So you're a mountain person, huh?
I'm a earth person. I like to have my feet on the ground.
Okay.
Now the ground can be in the mountain, it can be on the beach, wherever.
ठीक है, हाँ, you're right. मुझे अगर चॉइस मिलती मैं तो बीच बोलती.
So we like Switzerland also, and we like Thailand also, and Bali also, Goa also.
सब
Every
पसंद है.
place has its own charm.
Yeah, that's true. अच्छा. What is the worst thing you've done?
What is the worst thing I've done?
It could be anything.
Worst thing. Matlab the bad of the bad.
In your books?
Yeah. Trying to think of it.
देखो जिस तरह तुम सोच रहे हो ना, या तो तुमने इतने सारे किए कि you want to pick one, or you've not done any and you are now trying to figure which one.
Obviously, we've all done bad things here. I have never claimed to be a saint, but I'm just thinking I haven't done anything so bad that that it can be classified as like the worst and like crime and अगर तो नॉर्मल आदमी से करते हैं लेकिन so the worst thing well I don't know what to say to this question.
Okay, we leave this question. That's fine. That's fine. What secret conspiracy would you like to start?
Secret conspiracy would I like to start?
Yeah.
I'm a very disengaged kind of a person. Now over the years I've become disengaged. So I don't even take part in active conspiracies. So start a conspiracy.
ठीक है. That obviously everyone has their own this thing. Eventually, who wants to like constantly be in a but I was just thinking that maybe you might have something up your sleeve that if at all you wanted to start a conspiracy, what would it be? Knowing that you're a very fun-loving person, I know you. ऐसा नहीं है.
It's been almost about a decade and a half since I'm involved in any conspiracy.
हाँ.
I mean, I agree, people still do that. Sometimes I work with actors and they come and tell me, Arey Tada, you're such a lovely human being, we to heard you're like this and you like this. I like to listen to all they've heard. But some horror stories they have to tell me.
Yeah, we all have them. We all take pleasure and pride in listening to all the stories that they think about, the perception that they have about us. What is the most imaginative insult you can come up with? Now be very witty, huh?
What does an imaginative insult have to be tipped with wit? I don't understand.
क्योंकि आप कुछ भी imagine कर सकते हो.
I can tell you what I feel is the most stupid insult.
Tell me.
It's marking arc. I mean, I've never understood why. What does your mother's eye, whether left or right, what does it have to do with anything? And it's like it's just, I don't know, imaginative insult.
No, but that's okay. Yeah. I like the answer because it has defeated my question, but I like it.
हाँ, maybe तू किसी को कर्ज देना, maybe तो रात को अकेला घर जाना, 100 कुत्ते तेरे पीछे पड़े, something like that.
100 कुत्ते तेरे पीछे पड़े.
100 कुत्ते.
100 कुत्ते तेरे पीछे पड़े. What's the weirdest thing a guest has done at your house?
Nobody has ever done anything weird in my house. Nobody.
Out of fear
Like-
या out of
No, not out of fear, but it's about people. So I can't think of anything weird that any of those people. I can't even think of something that they can do weird. Because they're all these sorted people.
I have an experience, that's why I asked this question. And I am a person, I have done it. Forget anybody else doing it in my house. Okay, what is the funniest joke you know by heart?
See, I don't remember if Sunday से अरे joke सुना, तो मैं ऐसा सोचता हूँ क्या कौन सा joke सुनाऊँ. Then I start thinking of the last joke that I had read and laughed on. वो फिर भी मेरे दिमाग में वो joke आता नहीं है. So I mean, it's about, for me, humor is about what happens, in a situation.
Okay.
How you react, and that spontaneous statement or comment or question. वो jokes एक time पे ये आदमी था, वो नहीं आता था.
अच्छा, ये तो पता ही होगा. Ronak, please. What are some of the nicknames you have for co-workers? You don't need to name them. Just have nicknames.
Nicknames I have for my co-workers.
Yeah, for your colleagues or for your workers. You don't need to name them.
No, I know.
Okay, what is your nickname? What is your nickname? Chalo.
My nickname. मतलब लोग मुझे क्या बोलते हैं?
घर पे, फैमिली में.
घर पे हम बाबा.
And what do you call your wifey?
Amma.
Amma.
So yeah, they are universal. She's Amma, and everybody calls her Amma. And the staff, my house staff calls her Didi, and I call her Amma. The kids call her Amma, and sometimes some of my house will also call her Amma. And everybody, my wife calls me Baba, and everybody here calls me Baba. Except for my driver calls me Sir for some reason.
If someone asked to be your apprentice and learn all that you know, what would you teach them?
Acting.
Simple. Acting.
एक ही चीज आती है मुझे. एक ही चीज है जो सीखा है मैंने. Which I would be able to, make classes out of. बाकी I learn everything else from YouTube. वो एक्टिविटीज रखने की जरूरत है. उसको से बोला तू घर पे रह, मैं तेरे YouTube
Okay, coming to the end of it, if you could describe yourself with one word, what would it be?
Human.
What?
Human.
Human.
I'm human. I have my good side, my bad side, my strengths, my weaknesses, my courage, my fears. So I am as human as human gets.
You know, Ronak, I've realized one thing about you. In this entire conversation, okay, you are so transparent. You're so transparent. Like, I mean to say, you are who you are, and I like that. That's a damn good quality. I mean to say, this is not the side we see of you on the sets, because on the sets it's a different scenario. The whole thing is different.
Yeah, I mean on the set, there is there is you, and then there is your image, and then there is your character, and then there's a lot of things together. Then there is, but I have been like this for a while now, and I am extremely. When you're young, you're all kind of hot and brimming to prove a point to the world, and honestly, I don't give a. It's been a decade and a half since I stopped wanting to do something to prove a point. I do something now because it has to be done, and or I want to do it. I never do anything to prove a point to anybody, so I don't really care. Because like you said, the people who know me, they know me.
Yeah.
People who don't, they make stories about me.
Correct.
And I've learned in my experience that those stories are, whatever you are, those stories are difficult to control. Because there are those few who will always have tales to tell about you without knowing you at all. And so I'm very comfortable in my skin. I'm very happy with who I am, and I don't want.
I can so proudly at this point of time say that I think we are two peas of the same pod.
Really.
Yeah, because I feel exactly the same. I am what I am. There are times where obviously on the sets we are all different people because we have our images to keep up to and all of that. But then now it's come to a point where I don't have to prove anything to anybody.
Correct. Exactly.
But I am so happy that you did this with me, and you've not kept a wall, and you've answered all my questions, and you've been so patient with me. So thank you so much.
You're most welcome. Thank you for having me on the.
Thank you. It has been a pleasure. And before you go, a quick bye to everyone.
Of course, yeah. Bye, guys. Lovely to be here with Urvashi. And one thing that I always have to say to all of you is thanks for all the love and support and appreciation of my work over the years. It's been most of you I know because I read all your comments and I know who you guys are. So thank you very much for all the love and support, and please keep it coming because it's only because of you guys that I am who I am. God bless you. Be happy.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.
Talk to you soon.
Well, guys, that was Ronit Roy for you. And yes, that is my little one going for a walk. Sham ho gayi hai, and this is when we are shooting. We have no choice. But thank you so much for watching this episode. I know that I can't say it was a fun episode, but at least I hope that I have shown you what Ronit Roy is all about, and I hope you like this conversation. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care.